The KOOLUX BK6S is a bold and capable electric bike built to conquer both city streets and rugged trails with equal confidence. Designed for riders who value freedom, strength, and adaptability, this 20-inch fat tire e-bike combines power, comfort, and utility in a compact folding frame, perfect for modern commuters and weekend explorers alike. At its heart lies a 250W rear hub motor that delivers smooth, consistent power, allowing the BK6S to glide effortlessly through urban traffic or climb gentle slopes with ease. With 30 to 50 Nm of torque, it provides just the right balance of acceleration and control while maintaining energy efficiency for longer rides. The 48V 13Ah lithium battery ensures a generous riding range of up to 95 km per charge and can be conveniently removed for recharging in about 5 to 6 hours, ideal for daily commuting or extended outdoor adventures. The BK6S stands on 20x4.0-inch all-terrain fat tires, providing exceptional traction, stability, and shock absorption on diverse surfaces such as sand, snow, gravel, and pavement. Coupled with a front suspension system, this setup minimizes vibrations and enhances rider comfort, allowing you to maintain control even on bumpy or uneven paths. Constructed with a durable steel frame, the bike offers impressive load capacity, up to 120 kilograms, while maintaining a stylish, foldable design for easy storage and transport. Whether you're navigating city alleys or packing it into your car for a weekend trip, the BK6S adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. The Shimano 7-speed gear system ensures flexible performance across varying conditions, giving riders precise control over speed and effort. Paired with reliable disc brakes, it delivers confident stopping power in all weather conditions, enhancing safety and stability on every ride. Designed for practicality and performance, the KOOLUX BK6S also features a sleek, modern look with bold lines and a sturdy build that reflects its adventurous spirit. Its thoughtful engineering, from the down-tube battery placement for better balance to ergonomic riding geometry, makes it a dependable choice for both daily commuters and thrill seekers. With the KOOLUX BK6S, every journey becomes an opportunity to explore further, ride smoother, and experience the perfect blend of power and comfort wherever the road takes you.